Welcome to Auto Virtual Education. Here we talk about current affairs and general knowledge, issues related to all entrance exams, including CAT, TestNet, law exams, railway exams, bank exams, and UPSC. If you want content related to these topics, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to not miss an update. Today we'll be looking at the national update, which is the cabinet reshuffle and inclusion of new ministers in the Indian cabinet. So, our agenda for today is the current big news in the nation, that is, reshuffling of the cabinet ministers, promotions of some cabinet ministers, and inclusion of new ministers into the central cabinet under the Prime Minister of India. So, first, we'll be looking at the names of all 43 new ministers who have been incorporated into the Indian cabinet: Narayan Rani, Sarbananda Sonowal, Virendra Kumar, Jyotiraditya Sindhya, Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Ashwini Vaishnav, Pashupati Kumar Paras, Kiran Rijiju, Rajkumar Singh, Hardeep Singh Puri, Mansukh Mandavya, Bhupendra Yadav, Parshottam Rupala, G. Kishan Reddy, Anurag Singh Thakur, Pankaj Chaudhary, Anupriya Singh Patel, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Dr. Satyapal Singh Baghel, Shobha Karandlej, Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Darshan Vikram Jardosh, Minakshi Lekhi, Annapurna Devi, A. Narayan Swamy, Kaushal Kishore, Ajay Bhatt, B. L. Verma, Ajay Kumar, Chauhan Devusen, Bhagwat Khuba, Kapil Mureshwar Patil, Pratima Bhaumik, Dr. Subhas Sarkar, Dr. Bhagwat Kishnurao Kharad, Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Dr. Bharti Parveen Singh, Vishweshwar Tudu, Shantanu Thakur, Dr. Munjapara Mahendra Bhai, John Barla, Dr. L. Murugan, Nitish Parmanik. These are all the 43 ministers who have been incorporated into the new cabinet. We'll be looking at some of the cabinet ministers who have been reshuffled and the ones who have been given new important positions. We will, however, not be looking at ministers who have been made the cabinet minister of state or those who continue to maintain the same position. For example, our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, or our defense minister or a foreign minister. So let's look at the first one here. Amit Shah has been made the Minister of Cooperation and continues to hold the Home Affairs Ministry. So Amit Shah was previously the Minister of Home Affairs only and now has been given the newly introduced ministry, that is the Ministry of Cooperation. Dharmendra Pradhan has been made the Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Previously, the post of the Minister of Education was held by Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. The Ministry of Education was changed from the Human Resource Ministry last year when the new education policy was introduced. Previously, the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was Dr. Mahendra Nath. Narayan Rani has been made the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise. Previously, the Minister of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise was Mr. Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari still continues to hold his position as the Minister of Highways and Road Transport. Pashupati Kumar Paras has been made the Minister of Food Processing Industries. Previously, the Minister of Food Processing Industries was held by Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar. Kiran Rijiju has been made the Minister of Law and Justice. Previously, the Minister of Law and Justice was Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad was one of 12 ministers who had resigned before the new cabinet was announced. Mansukh Mandavya has been made the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and also the Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. The Minister of Health and Family Welfare was previously held by Dr. Harshvardhan. Hardeep Singh Puri has been made the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. He has also been made the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Previously, the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas was Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri was the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, and he was also the Minister of Aviation. He continues to hold his position as Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia has been made the Minister of Civil Aviation, which was earlier held by Hardeep Singh Puri, who is now the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and the Minister of Rural and Urban Housing. Sarbananda Sonowal has been made the Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and also the Minister of Ayush. Previously, the Minister of Port Shipping and Waterways was Mr. Mansukh Mandavia. Mansukh Mandavia has been made the new Health and Family Welfare Minister of India. Giriraj Singh has been made the Minister of Rural Development and the Minister of Panchayat Raj. Previously, the Minister of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj was Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar. Ashwini Vaishnav has been made the Minister of Railways, the Minister of Communications and Electronics and Information Technology. Previously, the Minister of Railways was Mr. Piyush Goyal. The Minister of Communication was Mr. Manoj Sinha, and the Minister of Technology and Information was Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Bhupendra Yadav has been made the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. He has also been given the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Previously, the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change was Mr. Prakash Javadekar. The Minister of Labour and Employment was Mr. Santosh Gangwar. Anurag Singh Thakur has been made the Minister of Information and Broadcasting, and he will also be the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Previously, the Minister of Information and Broadcasting was Mr. Prakash Javadekar, who was also the Environment Minister. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports was handled by Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who is now the Minister of Law and Justice. If you like this content and would like to see more of it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the